Want to earn $100 a day using just your smartphone? No investment, no experience, and no scams. Today, I'll reveal 3 secret apps quietly paying users every single day. I've tested these apps, paid real people to try them, and collected proof of payment so you know what to expect. Stick around. I'll show you how they work, how much you can earn, and the fastest ways to cash out. Let's dive in. Alright, let's dive into some apps that actually reward you for your time. First up is BuzzBreak, and it's a pretty interesting one. It's an app that pays you to watch videos, read news articles, and generally stay informed. The concept is simple, yet surprisingly effective. You're already spending time on your phone. Why not get paid for it? Just download BuzzBreak from your app store, sign up for a free account, and you're ready to go. The initial setup is quick and painless. Once you're in, start earning points for every article you read. Whether it's current events, entertainment news, or quirky stories, there's always something new to discover and earn from. You can also earn by watching short videos. From funny clips to interesting documentaries, there's a wide variety of content to check out. The best part is that points add up fast, especially if you're actively engaging with the content. It's a great way to make the most of your downtime. When you're ready to cash out, you can do so instantly via PayPal, making it incredibly convenient to access your earnings. Alternatively, if you prefer using mobile wallets, you can also cash out via Gcash, providing even more flexibility. BuzzBreak offers no high minimums and no hassle when it comes to withdrawing your money. It's designed to be as user-friendly as possible. There's also a referral program that allows you to earn extra earnings by inviting your friends to join. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Don't forget about the daily check-in bonuses, which reward you for consistently using the app. These bonuses stack up over time, providing an extra incentive to keep coming back and earning more. BuzzBreak is perfect for turning those spare minutes throughout the day into real money, whether you're waiting in line, commuting, or just have a few minutes to kill. It's a great way to earn a little extra cash, whether you're on a coffee break at work or just relaxing at home. So, why not give it a try? Download BuzzBreak today. Start watching those videos and reading those articles. And watch your balance grow, all while staying entertained and informed. It's a pretty sweet deal, if you ask me. Next up, we have Toloka, a platform that offers a unique way to earn some extra income in your spare time. It's an interesting concept that leverages the power of human intelligence to accomplish tasks that computers simply can't handle effectively. Toloka is essentially a crowdsourcing app, connecting you with a variety of simple tasks from different requesters. These tasks are designed to be quick and easy to complete, making it a great option for those looking to make money during short breaks or downtime. The core idea behind Toloka is that it pays you for performing simple tasks that computers, even with all their processing power, still struggle to do reliably. This could involve anything from identifying objects in images to evaluating the relevance of search results. One common type of task involves categorizing images. You might be asked to identify what's in a picture, label objects, or assess the quality of the image itself. This helps train AI algorithms to better understand visual data. Another task involves checking addresses and verifying their accuracy. This is crucial for ensuring that online maps and business directories are up to date and reliable. You might also be asked to verify map details, such as street names, building locations, and points of interest. This helps improve the accuracy and completeness of mapping data. The beauty of Toloka is that each task is designed to be quick and easy, often taking just seconds to complete. This means you can earn money in short bursts, making it a convenient option for busy individuals. Your accuracy is key to maximizing your earnings on Toloka. The more accurate you are in completing tasks, the higher your reputation will be within the platform. A higher accuracy score unlocks access to better paying tasks and more opportunities to earn. So, it pays to be diligent and pay attention to detail. When it comes to getting paid, Toloka uses Yandex as its primary payment processor. Your earnings are transferred directly to your Yandex account. From there, you can easily transfer the funds to your bank account or PayPal, providing you with convenient access to your earnings. One of the best things about Toloka is that no special skills or prior experience are needed to get started. Simply sign up for an account, browse the available tasks, and pick the ones that interest you. You have the freedom to work whenever and wherever you want, making it a truly flexible way to earn money. Toloka also provides feedback on your performance, offering tips and suggestions to help you improve your accuracy and efficiency. By consistently improving your skills, you can unlock higher paying tasks and increase your earnings over time. So if you're looking for a flexible and low-pressure way to earn some extra cash in your spare time, Toloka is definitely worth exploring. Give it a try and see if it's the right fit for you. Alright, let's dive into another fantastic app that can help you pad your wallet. The third app on our list is UserFeel, a platform where you can get paid to test websites and apps. It's a great way to contribute to improving user experiences while earning some extra cash. Getting started is simple. Sign up on their website, take a quick qualification test to demonstrate your ability to provide useful feedback, and once you're approved, you'll start getting assignments by email. Keep an eye on your inbox, because these opportunities can pop up at any time. Each test typically takes around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the complexity of the website or app. And the best part? Each completed test pays $10 straight to your PayPal account. No waiting, no complicated point systems, just real cash. If you dedicate a little time each day and do a few tests, you can easily hit $100 a week. That's extra spending money, savings, or whatever you need it for. No points, just real cash in your pocket. With UserFeel, you'll have the opportunity to test websites and apps from all over the world, giving you a glimpse into different cultures and online experiences. You might even get to test unreleased apps, providing feedback that shapes the future of digital products. Remember, the better and more detailed your feedback, the more tests you're likely to receive. So speak your thoughts out loud as you navigate the site or app, and be honest about your experience. Your genuine opinions are what make these tests valuable. UserFeel offers a flexible and reliable way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. It's perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to supplement their income. In conclusion, UserFeel is a legitimate and rewarding way to make extra money online by simply sharing your thoughts and experiences. So why not give it a try? Sign up for UserFeel, take the qualification test, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'm curious to hear about your experiences. Now, let's wrap up this section and move on to the next exciting opportunity. These apps are free, legit, and beginner-friendly. No investment needed. Anyone can start today using just their phone or laptop on their own schedule. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment, "I'm ready to earn," for bonus tips. Thanks for watching. Check out my next video for more ways to make money online.